Peace be with you, good people. We, the Capuchins of the province of Saint Anthony, Goa, are gathering here at Mondegiri, where we began a humble beginning, to celebrate our ordinary provincial chapter. The provincial chapter, as our constitution says, is the first authority in a province, and hence we decide about our life. We are very happy to invite our General Minister, Brother Roberto Genuine, his Councillor, Father John Baptist, for this ordinary chapter. We seek your prayers and your blessings. We welcome them, and we are here to enjoy our brotherhood. God bless you.